Mr. Seng Huan Shin had a flight over Mawun Beach, Mawi Beach and Selong Belanak Beach at June 16, 2026, with DJI AIR 3S. Let's get started.